Okay, let's move on to our next section of syllabication. Let's review different types of syllables we've learned so far. We have learned the closed syllable. The single vowel says its short sound. We've learned the open syllable. The single vowel says its name. We have learned the magic E, where the E on the end jumps over one consonant and makes the vowel say its name. And we've learned the consonant LE. Consonant LE is where a syllable, consonant LE is a syllable by itself. And we circle that. All right, let's work on a few. I've got some circled that we're going to work through. So let's look at number 3. I want you to look at number 3 and I want you to scan the word. What do you notice first?
There's a suffix.
Oh, okay, a suffix. Can you circle that for me? Okay. All right, what do you think our next step might be? You want to identify and
The vowel.
how many? Yeah, identify
Just the first 2 vowels.
Okay.
And then draw a bridge underneath and find the consonant.
Okay. Do you notice anything about that maybe?
This looks like an O magic E.
Okay. So could you draw an arrow back, jump over that one consonant? Excuse me. Okay. How would you put that word together? Could you read it?
Hopeless.
Put together?
Hopeless.
Hopeless. Good job. Let's look at this word. Scan the word, see if anything looks familiar to you. If not, we can just go ahead and start identifying our first 2 vowels.
I think I'm just going to start identifying the first 2 vowels.
Right.
And then drawing a bridge underneath.
Yes.
Finding the consonant.
Okay. And what's our first rule say we would do? What do we try first when we have something like that? Where do we draw our line?
Right after the vowel.
Yeah, draw a little dotted line there. Let's see. Okay. All right. Now, connect your bridge to the next vowel, or identify the next vowel. Make a bridge. And what are you doing now? Marking the consonant. Okay. All right. Okay. I'm going to try the first rule where we mark it after, or we try to split it after the vowel. Do a little dotted line, yeah. Okay. Now draw to the last E. What do you notice about that last E?
It's magic.
Okay. I'm going to connect it. Okay, now take that and let's draw that arrow back to our vowel. Okay, now let's start here and label each syllable. What would that syllable be if we have it like it is now?
Open.
Okay, let's try that. What about this next syllable? How would it be?
Open.
Okay. And then we would label this one
Magic E.
Magic E. Try the word like that. See if it makes sense.
Navigate.
Navigate. Have you ever heard that word?
No.
Okay, so let's try our second option where we change it. So let's try after the consonant. Can you draw your line after there? Okay. Try it like that right there too. Okay. Now change your open. What would that change that syllable to?
Closed.
And what would that be?
Closed.
Okay. Now try that word.
Navigate. Navigate.
Navigate. Does that sound like a word you know? Yes. All right. Let's go up here to number 6. Number 6. Scan our word. If you don't see anything that looks like a suffix or an ending, we can go ahead and start marking our
first 2 vowels. Draw a bridge underneath and find the consonants.
Good. We have 2 consonants together. What do we do there?
Split down.
Split the consonants, yes. Okay. Which was your next vowel? What would you do there?
I'm doing it. Connect it with a bridge. Identify the consonant.
What do you notice about that last one?
It's a magic E.
So I'm
going to draw
an
arrow back to it.
We'll label that in just a second. All right, let's go ahead and draw your line right there. Okay, would that be an open or closed syllable?
Closed.
Closed, because What about that one?
Open.
Mm-hmm. And what would that one be called?
Magic E.
M-E. Okay, try reading the word like that.
Innovate. Innovate.
Innovate. Yeah. Does that sound like a word you know?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Let's do one more. Look down here. Scan your word for anything that might look different. Do you see anything?
The
Let's call it consonant.
E.
Consonant L-E. Okay, so you can circle that consonant L-E. Okay, and let's go ahead and,
Find the vowel.
okay. And I think you can split your word between the what?
The
Consonants, okay. Now would that be an open or closed syllable?
Closed.
Mm-hmm. And then that would be labeled
C.
C-L-E. Okay, now try to read that word like it is.
Babble. Babble.
Babble. That's right. Good job.